Then we have the MOU of promoting cooperation of livelihood working group of CPEC.
下面交换的是关于加强中巴经济走廊民生合作的谅解备忘录。
It will be exchanged between His Excellency Luo Jiaohui, Chairman China International Development Cooperation Agency, and His Excellency Professor Ehsan Iqbal, Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiatives of Pakistan. Thank you, Excellencies. Now we have 3 MOUs and 2 letters of exchange being exchanged between the Economic Affairs Division of Pakistan and China International Development Cooperation Agency.
下面，中国国科署和巴方经济事务将交换3份谅解备忘录2份换文。
For this exchange, I would like to again invite His Excellency Ahad Khan Chima, Minister for Economic Affairs of Pakistan, and His Excellency Luo Jiaohui. The first one being exchanged is MOU on strengthening cooperation in the field of information and communication.
他们交换的第一份文件是关于加强信息通讯领域合作的谅解备忘录。
Second one is MOU of promoting cooperation on water conservancy facility reduction.
他们交换的第二份文件是关于加强水利防洪减灾合作的谅解备忘录。
The third one is on strengthening security cooperation.
他们交换的第三份文件是关于加强数字合作的谅解备忘录。
Fourth one is letter of exchange on human resource development under the GDI.
他们交换的第四份文件是关于在职工发展项目下开展人力资源开发合作的范围。
Fifth one is letter of exchange of the assistant program of firefighting vehicles to Islamabad city.
他们交换的第五份文件是关于人民银行港消防车辆的定向范围。
Thank you, Excellencies.
谢谢。
Next, we have the protocol on the export of animal meat to China.
下面将交换的是关于巴基斯坦肉类输华的议定书。
It is being exchanged between the General Administration of Customs of China and the Ministry of National Food Security and Research of Pakistan.
议定书由中方海关总署与巴方国家食品安全与研究部签署。
For its exchange, I would like to invite His Excellency Rana Tanveer Hussain, Minister for National Food Security and Research of Pakistan, and His Excellency Jiang Zaidong, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
有请中外公大使和巴方国家食品安全研究部侯赛因部长交换文本。
Thank you, Excellencies.
谢谢。
Moving forward, there is MOU on supporting the construction of joint laboratories.
下面将交换的是关于共同支持联合实验室建设的谅解备忘录。
It will be exchanged between Mr. Sajid Baloch, Secretary, Ministry of Science and Technology of Pakistan, and His Excellency Jiang Zaidong, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
有请江在东大使和巴方科技部常秘萨吉德交换文本。
Thank you, Excellencies.
谢谢。
Next, we have the agreement on co-production of TV programs.
下面交换的是关于合作制作电视节目的协议。
It will be exchanged between Ms. Amreen Jan, Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting of Pakistan, and His Excellency Jiang Zhaitong, Ambassador of People's Republic of China. Thank you, Excellencies. Lastly, I would like to formally announce the signing of the currency swap agreement between the People's Bank of China and the State Bank of China.
最后，我谨正式宣布，中国人民银行与巴基斯坦国家银行签署双边本币货换协议，此协议此前已签署。
And State Bank of Pakistan. His Excellency Premier Li Qiang and His Excellency Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, thank you for witnessing the exchange of MOUs and agreements.
感谢李强总理，感谢夏巴斯总理，感谢两位领导见证交换仪式。
This concludes the MOU signing ceremony.
交换仪式到此结束。
Excellencies, kindly proceed to your respective seats at the front row.
两位领导，请到前排就座。
नाज़रीन, पाकिस्तान और चीन के दरमियान मुख्तलिफ शोबों में माहिदों पर मफाहमती यादाश्तों का
Further, thank you all.